Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can buy and sell Uniswap Uni in the UK. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have your wallet is connected to Uniswap and funded with ETH. This helps you trade Uni tokens efficiently in the UK. So first open your app.uniswap.org and then you will connect your wallet. So just go ahead and click this button right here, which is connect, and then once you've connected your wallet, what you will have to do is click swap, which is under the trade section, and then just click that. And then once you're here, you will select ETH in the first field, and then you will you will search for uni for your for the second field. So just click that, and then after that, what you will have to do is enter the amount of ETH that you would want to spend to buy uni, or the amount of uni to sell for ETH, and then you will just have to click swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. So if you've already connected your wallet, you will see a swap button here, so just go ahead and click that, and then confirm again the transaction in your wallet and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Always double check gas fees and token addresses before approving. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.